It's open house time. This video is for you if you like checking out weekend open houses in the city of Guelph and you'd like a full list of weekend open houses dropped in your inbox every Friday morning. So let's talk about how we're going to do that. Okay, to sign up to receive a weekly list of Guelph open houses, we're going to start off on this webpage, which is jeffmoisen.com/Guelph open houses. And again, I'm going to have that link in the below description at the bottom of this video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to sign in with our name. We'll put in our email address here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check either yes or no to receive periodic emails with Guelph real estate stats and information. So of course, why wouldn't we want that information? You could always unsubscribe. So by clicking submit, we automatically go to this new web page, which shows all of the open houses for the week. It's still early in the week, so there's only 15 open houses showing for now. But as you could see on the left-hand side, you get a great map view. You could zoom in, zoom out, take a look at those properties. If you want a specific neighborhood, let's zoom into the south end here. And then we could work our way over to the west end. So there's that great view there. We can also move over to the right-hand side of the screen and click on the list view. If we want to take a look at the list view, there's a gallery view. And then if you want to print out a list of the open houses for the weekend and take that list with you and just drive from house to house and see the different times, the addresses, the MLS number, which you could click on and go to the full listing, it's all here on the list view in an easy to print format. So enjoy your open house visits this weekend. And of course, if there's a house that you'd like to see that's not on the open houses, give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out, get you into those houses that you'd like to view, and help you throughout the buying process. Take care and have a great day.